Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to understand what is percentage. It is a very important topic and I'm going to explain it to you step by step. I'm going to focus on the concept. What is the meaning of percentage? Why do we calculate it and how to find it out? Basically, how to find it out, I'm going to tell you in later videos, but in this video, we will only see the concept and why do we calculate it, the meaning behind it. So without any further delay, let's start. First of all, percent is divided into two different terms. It is made up of two different terms, per plus cent. These are the two terms which make up percent, percentage. So percent, as it is it is visible, uh, percent means per 100. Okay, per cent means per 100. It can also be written like this. Okay, per 100, or that is, or you can say that this is the meaning of per cent. Okay, that is per 100. So whenever an examiner is trying to ask you what is the percentage or what percent, etc., etc., that means he or she is asking you with respect to 100, how much out of 100. Okay, that is what he is asking you, how much out of 100. All right, so percent means per 100. We have to find out the answer with respect to 100. All right, that is the basic meaning of percentage. Okay, percent. Now I'm going to give you an example with the help of which it will be easier for you to understand. See, there are two students, A and B. Okay, A has got 40 marks out of 50. All right, and B has got 8 marks out of 10. Okay, now I ask you, who has got more marks? A has got more marks or B has got more marks? Now, if you look at it, in the first sight, you see that A has 40 marks and B has 8. So you will say that, oh, 40 is more than 8. So A has got more marks. A has got more marks. But this is wrong. You are not looking at what is in the denominator. With respect to what he has got 40, with respect to what he has got 8 marks. Okay, so the denominator with respect to what is the number of marks calculated is important. Okay, so here he is getting 40 out of 50. Okay, and here he is getting 8, but 8 is out of 10. All right, so for to find out a common base, basically to take a common base so that we can find out who has more marks, we calculate the percentage. Okay, so here the common base is basically 100. We are calculating out of 100, so 100 is our common base. Okay, to find out the marks. So I'm just going to solve it here. Okay, but I'm going to explain it to you in the further videos how to find out. Okay, how to solve it. That is, we are going to look at those things in the upcoming videos. But here, let's see, 40 out of 50. Okay, so the percentage will be into 2 is equal to 80%. So A has got 80% marks and B 8 upon 10 into 100. 10 is equal to 80. So 80% marks B has also got. So both of them have 80 percentage of marks. 80%. Okay, so that is equal. Basically A has got equal percentage of marks as B. Okay, so if you look at it in the first sight, you can be mistaken. Yeah, he has got 40, he has got 8, so okay, he has got B. But you always have to look at the denominator with respect to what? With respect to something. There is always, in this world, there is nothing which can be described alone. It is always with respect to something. Okay, keyboard is smaller with respect to the monitor. Okay, the mouse is smaller with respect to the keyboard. Okay, so there is always this comparison, and that is what we are trying to find out here. Okay, and for that we took the common base as 100. Okay, or we can say that we found out the percentage, with the help of which we got to know who has got more marks. So both of them has equal percentage of marks. Okay, equal percentage of marks, not marks. The marks is 40 and 8, okay, of A and B respectively, but the percentage is same. All right, so that is important. Again, I'm going to give you one more example. uh, let's say there is a shop, okay, and there are toys, lot of toys, and I tell the shopkeeper that whenever some kid comes to you to buy the toys, okay, you will always give 30% of the toys which you have. Okay, the number of toys which you have in your shop, you will give 30% of them to the kid always. All right, so at the moment he has 10 toys. Okay, 10 toys. So how many toys is he going to give to the kid? 30% of 10. Okay, 30% of 10 is 3. Okay, so the kid will have 3 toys. Okay, kid will get 3 toys. All right, now suppose that after 1 week the shopkeeper has 100 toys. 100 toys in his shop. Okay, there are 100 toys in his shop. Now I tell him that, bro, you have to give 30% of toys to the kid always whenever he or she comes to you. So the kid comes again. Now, how many toys is he going to give to the kid? 3? Is he going to give 3 toys to the kid? No. He is not going to give 3 kids to the toy, because 30% of 100 is 30. So the kid is going to get 30 toys. All right, not 3 toys. So you see why percentage is important. All right, we have to find out the percentage in various scenarios. Okay, and we are going to look at those questions in the upcoming videos. But this is the basic meaning of percentage, that is per 100. Okay, per 100 is what we are trying to calculate. Out of 100, okay, if I see here that the A has got 80% marks, you see, both of them have got 80% marks, which means 80 out of 100. Okay, if the total marks were 100, then A has got 80 marks. Okay, 80 marks out of 100, or you can say 80%. A has got 80% marks, or 80 marks if the total marks were 100. If the total marks were 100, okay, because see, per 100, okay, 100 is in the denominator, so that means per 100. Okay, and how much? 80. 80 in 100, with respect to 100 he has got 80 marks. Okay, so always we try to find out with respect to 100 in every question whenever the percentage is asked. All right, I hope you got the meaning. What is percentage? Okay, that is per 100, always. Always. All right, if I say that it is 40%, he has 40% toys, that means if there were 100 toys total, then the kid will have 40 toys. Okay, 40 toys when the number of toys, total number of toys will be 100. Total number of toys will be 100, only then the kid is going to have 40 toys. Okay, 40 toys, and which means the percentage is 40%. The kid is getting 40% of toys. Okay. All right. The 40% of toys in the shop, the number of toys which are there in the shop, let it be 100. Then the kid will get 40 toys. All right. So this is just an example to explain you what why do we calculate it, what is the purpose behind calculating the percentage. And I hope you got it, you understood. If you have any doubt in this concept, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will make another video to explain it to you in a simpler manner, in a more simpler manner. All right, so keep learning. Bye bye, see you later.